CalcuCRUSH-The Game. The student starts by entering either standard registration or login information. Here I've already stored my user information with this name and email, Next, the student is redirected to the Terms of Use page with a simple form of required checkboxes to reinforce positive learning mindsets. Next, the synopsis page sets the scene for the game mission that the students must follow. The information is displayed in a slideshow that the user can click through before continuing. Next, the student is directed to the main dashboard, which uses the Google Maps API, including custom overlays and markers. It includes the clue for reference. Here, 2 JavaScript event handlers are used to create a special search feature in which the student cannot immediately see the marker unless they know where to look. In this case, the clue was Mount Everest. The marker at the desired latitude and longitude is not visible on the map until the zoom reaches a certain threshold. When they click on this marker, they are directed to the first unit and its challenges. The Unit 1 page includes flashcards of all the concepts covered, with all the equations formatted using MathJax. These problems covering the power rule, all functions are generated randomly on the server side with Python. The SymPy Python library is then used to calculate the derivative of all these functions, and these are passed into the render template Flash function and displayed using Jinja templating in the page. A JavaScript function determines if the user input is correct. A post request is sent to pass in the updated values of the planet points and progress. Equations are formatted using the KTeX JavaScript library. Login info entered and the updated points are stored in the Postgres database. The user data is once again queried and passed into the student profile page. Here, the edited career goal value is sent as a JSON string to the server route in a post request. The returned JSON data updates the career field in real time without refreshing the page. Power rule. The product and quotient rules are also covered in more randomly generated problem sets to finish out the concept. To achieve real-time formatting of the student's entered answer, an event listener is added directly to the input field, and the KTeX library is once again used to render the final expression. Are used to create the problems covering the quotient rule. Each time the user clicks the Next Problem button, a new randomly generated problem is created for the student to solve and learn from.